magnetic measuring spoon set. Offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top 5 magnetic measuring spoon set from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Looking for a smarter way to measure in the kitchen? The Spring Chef stainless steel magnetic measuring spoon set is designed to make cooking and baking easier, cleaner, and more organized. This set of 8 spoons plus a leveler is crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, built to last a lifetime without bending or rusting. Each spoon features strong N45 magnets that keep them neatly stacked together, so no more digging around in messy drawers. Just snap them apart when you need one and snap them back together for quick storage. The dual-ended design is a game changer. One rounded end for liquids and one narrow oval end that fits perfectly into most spice jars. Whether you're measuring flour, sugar, cinnamon, or vanilla, you'll get precise measurements every time. The sleek black finish not only looks modern, but also adds durability and style to your kitchen tools. And with clearly engraved measurements that won't fade, you'll always know exactly what you're scooping. From everyday meals to weekend baking projects, this magnetic measuring spoon set keeps your kitchen organized and your recipes spot on. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Spring Chef magnetic measuring spoon set. Number 2. With the TILUCK measuring cups and magnetic measuring spoon set, you'll never have to second guess again. This premium set includes 5 stainless steel measuring cups, built tough to last a lifetime, plus 6 double-sided magnetic measuring spoons and a handy leveler, perfect for precision in both dry and liquid ingredients. The double-sided spoons give you options: round ends for liquids, narrow ends that fit right into spice jars. And thanks to the strong magnetic design, they stack neatly together, saving you space and keeping your kitchen organized. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are rust-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and built for heavy-duty use. Whether you're a home cook or a baking enthusiast, this set brings accuracy, durability, and convenience right to your kitchen. Make every recipe a success with the TILUCK measuring cups and magnetic measuring spoon set, because great cooking starts with perfect measurements. Number 3. Meet the OXO Good Grips 4-piece stainless steel measuring spoons with magnetic snaps, the perfect blend of functionality and convenience. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel, these spoons are built to last, while delivering accurate measurements for all your cooking and baking needs. Each spoon features a comfortable, non-slip handle from OXO's signature Good Grips line, giving you control and ease even when your hands are wet or messy. What sets these spoons apart? The magnetic snaps. Each spoon nestles together neatly, keeping your set organized and easy to grab. No more fumbling through drawers. They stack compactly and separate smoothly, so you can use just the spoon you need without breaking apart a bulky ring. This 4-piece set includes the essential sizes: 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon. Dishwasher safe, rust resistant, and thoughtfully designed, these spoons are a must-have for every modern kitchen. With the OXO Good Grip stainless steel measuring spoons, you get durability, precision, and organization all in one sleek set. Upgrade your baking and cooking experience today. Number 4. Meet the Hudson Essentials 15-piece stainless steel measuring cups and spoons set, the all-in-one solution for precise cooking and baking. This premium set includes 7 measuring cups and 8 spoons. covering everything from a full cup down to the tiniest teaspoon. Each piece is crafted from professional-grade stainless steel, making them strong, rust-resistant, and built to last a lifetime. What makes this set stand out? The engraved measurement markings never fade, so you'll always know exactly what you're scooping. The stackable design saves space in your drawers, and the included easy clip rings keep everything neatly organized. No more second-guessing in the kitchen, whether you're baking cookies, cooking sauces, or measuring spices. Hudson Essentials gives you accuracy and confidence every time. Plus, they're dishwasher safe, so cleanup is quick and effortless. Upgrade your kitchen tools with the Hudson Essentials 15-piece measuring cups and spoons set, where durability meets precision, because great cooking starts with the right measurements. Number 5. Meet the TILUCK measuring cups and spoon set, a smart, stylish, and durable solution for every home chef. This set includes stackable measuring cups and spoons designed to nest neatly together, saving you space in your kitchen drawers. Each piece comes with a stainless steel handle that not only looks sleek, but also provides a sturdy, comfortable grip while you work. Whether you're measuring flour for baking, sugar for your morning coffee, or spices for your favorite dish, these tools are crafted for precision. The easy-to-read measurements ensure accuracy every time, so you can follow recipes with confidence. The lightweight yet durable design makes them perfect for everyday use, and the black finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Simply rinse or pop them in the dishwasher. Cooking and baking are all about balance and accuracy, and with the TILUCK measuring cups and spoon set, you'll have the right tool for every recipe. Compact, reliable, and built to last. It's a must-have gadget for every kitchen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.